everyone, my name is Vladlena, and today I'd like to share my experience with the course I took on the website TEFL TESOLcertification.com, as well as explain why I decided to pursue it and how the course was structured. To start, I have a higher education in linguistics and translation studies, along with a diploma in professional retraining in the methods of teaching foreign languages. And I have been successfully teaching for about 10 years, including offline teaching in a comprehensive school and in private language schools, both in person and online. And recently, I have been working independently online. So why did I feel the need to get this certificate? First of all, I wanted to expand my knowledge in teaching English as a foreign language. I also wanted to broaden my student base. That's exactly what the TEFL TESOL certification is for. I began searching for a suitable course and a reputable company that could offer it. I wasn't just looking for a certificate, I wanted to gain real knowledge. After researching various companies, websites, courses, and reading numerous reviews, I chose the course offered by TEFL TESOLcertification.com. Let's explore these sites together to see what courses they offer. On the site, you can find detailed information about each course in the Courses section. There you will see details such as the course duration, cost, payment options, access period, and options for extension. If a course has more hours, additional content is included. To learn more, simply click More. On the right side, you'll find information about all the speakers involved in the courses. For example, here is information about the 320-hour course I completed, its price, the certificate you will receive, and a sample certificate that can be downloaded. You can also view the detailed curriculum of the 320-hour program. And I especially enjoy the grammar unit. Later, I will show you the brochure you will receive, which you can use in your lessons. This is the most comprehensive course in terms of content, duration, and access. So it includes 14 modules, 23 topics, and 234 lessons. If you'd like to see the specific topics covered in the course, you can view it modularly, which is very convenient. I also appreciate that you can compare courses directly, see how they are similar and how they differ. If you click here, a comparison table will appear, making it easier for you to choose. You can compare the number of topics, units, modules, access duration, and more. Another key point for me was that this training center is accredited. It issues a licensed TEFL TESOL certificate with a hologram, seal, and QR code, and you can verify the accreditation by visiting the accreditation section on the website to see who has authorized this training center. You can also check this information on various official websites and that you are receiving high quality, professional, accredited, and licensed education. All details about the International Certification Organization are available in the About Us section. As I mentioned, accreditation was one of my main criteria when choosing an organization, and this institution is accredited by the UK government. You can learn more by clicking Read More. Let's have a look. It explains what the certificate is, who recognizes it, and details about the license. You can verify the license and accreditation through official websites, and here it is explained how to do this. After selecting the course I wanted, I paid for it, and within 24 hours, I received an email with login details to access the platform and start learning. Just a reminder, I purchased the 320-hour course called Prime. Let's take a look at what the course includes, how the learning platform interface works, and the structure of the modules. You go to the My Course section, Here you'll see information about your course, including total hours and a detailed breakdown of the content by module. Each unit and topic is displayed here. You can see your test scores, your best results, your attempts, and which lessons you have completed. Let's look at any lesson, for example, the 9th module, which focuses on creating lesson plans. On the right, you'll see the course content organized by topic. Green check marks indicate topics you've already covered, while gray check marks show those you haven't completed yet. You can navigate lesson by lesson, going back to previous lessons or moving forward. Most lessons include a video explaining the material, along with the text-based explanation. You can read, take notes, and review the content at your own pace. Additionally, you will receive a grammar brochure as a gift. It covers all the English tenses and basic grammar, which you can use to prepare your lessons. It's quite comprehensive, including about 30 pages of grammar topics. The course content, access to materials, and duration depend on the program you choose. It can include 120 hours, 150 hours, or 320 hours. My course lasted 14 months, but I completed it much faster. I still have access to the materials. I can revisit lessons, review content, take notes, and so on. You can adjust the pace to fit your individual schedule, which is very convenient, I think. You can take the course from anywhere, just ensure you have internet access. It can be accessed from a laptop or a smartphone. I also want to highlight an important point. You are assigned a personal trainer. As you progress through the course, and if you have questions or do not understand something or would like more information, you can email your personal trainer. They typically respond within 5 business days. I contacted my personal trainer twice. Once I asked my trainer about additional teaching aids for school children based on the communicative method, and I received a reply within 5 days with the names and authors of the resources. I also inquired about exercises that engage the senses and encourage motion in English lessons, and received a detailed response, including a list of activities and additional online and offline resources. Your lesson plans are reviewed by your personal trainer who provides feedback. If everything is all right, they assign a score of 100%. You have 2 attempts. If your first submission isn't perfect, you can revise it based on the trainer's comments and resubmit. This process is very convenient, professional, and supportive. For example, this is my first lesson plan. It was a grammar-focused one. I submitted it for review and received a 100% grade along with detailed feedback. This is my second plan for Module 11, a plan for young learners focused on vocabulary, and I also got a grade and feedback from my trainer. After completing the course and gaining your certificate in PDF format, you can also have the option to order a printed version of it. All the details are available on the website, or you can also contact the Employment Assistance team. Here is what the certificate includes: recipient's name, issuing organization, total course hours, your grade, date of issue, holograms, barcodes, QR codes, seal, signature, accreditation center, and your unique certificate number. The certificate also lists the course modules and topics covered. And additionally, you will receive a letter of recommendation. You can send your certificate to the employment assistant who will help you create a CV, a video presentation, and a demo lesson, specifically a recorded version of your online or offline demo lesson. They also provide recommendations and practical advice to improve your CV or portfolio. They also send you job openings upon request, both online and offline, in the countries you specify. After completing the course, I emailed my employment assistant, and they provided me with CV tips, online teaching opportunities, and also offline vacancies in the countries I requested. Having a TEFL TESOL certificate is essential for you if you want to teach English as a foreign language or as a second language, both online and offline. The minimum requirement is 120 hours, and you will need to demonstrate or upload your certificate when creating your profile on various platforms. The most popular platforms to start with are Preply, Cambly, WebKid, Amazing Talker, and italki. After completing the course, you can visit these platforms, review their requirements, then create a profile, fill it in, and upload your documents and certificate. I hope this video was helpful and useful. I also hope it answered some of your questions and perhaps helped you make a decision. Good luck with your career as an ESL teacher.